What should I do if I'm hit as a pedestrian in a crosswalk? Hi, I'm Kevin McManus. I'm a personal injury attorney in Kansas and Missouri, and I'm here to answer that question for you. Well, if you're asking yourself this question, it means you or a family member were injured in an accident in a crosswalk, either in Kansas or Missouri, and you're trying to figure out if what you did was correct or if you need to take certain actions. And I'm here to tell you there's probably three things you need to make sure you do if you're in that situation. First and foremost, call the police. You need to have police come for two reasons. First, to investigate the scene, document the scene, and create a report. That's going to help your accident case going forward to have that. And secondly, the police will help, perhaps call an ambulance if you need immediate emergency assistance, and get you or your family member who's injured to where they need to be to get prompt medical care. And that's really the second thing that you really need to focus on, is getting care you need as quickly as possible and getting treated with specialists as needed for any injuries you have. The third thing you should do is, if you're in this situation, you really should consider at least consulting with a personal injury attorney. I would recommend you call our office because we handle pedestrian injury cases on a regular basis, and they can be complicated, and they can be complicated for a few different reasons. Often in a pedestrian accident, who's at fault can become disputed. The driver in a case where an automobile has collided with a pedestrian will often try to blame the pedestrian for what happened and will try to escape responsibility for the damages or injuries that occurred. If you find yourself in this situation, don't hesitate to call our office. Our phone number is below. We would be happy to talk to you. Our consultations are free. And regardless of whether you hire our firm or not, we're willing to give you some good advice and guidance and a strategy on how to deal with the issues you're grappling with. So no matter what you do, just remember you're not alone and we're here to help. Thanks.